across vast tropical grasslands. The white-gray Brahman bull stands as one of the world's most recognizable cattle breeds. Known for its calm temperament, heat tolerance, and distinctive white-gray coat, it also provides valuable natural materials used in premium manufacturing. Today, we step inside a modern high-tech factory where carefully selected horns begin an extraordinary journey, transforming from raw natural material into elegant luxury products admired worldwide. The journey begins long before production starts. Every horn entering the factory is carefully sourced through regulated supply chains and inspected for size, density, natural grain, and structural integrity. Experienced technicians reject pieces with deep cracks or defects, ensuring only premium quality horns continue through the manufacturing line for precision processing. After inspection, each horn is assigned a tracking code that follows it throughout production. Digital records allow technicians to monitor every stage, from cleaning to final polishing. This modern tracking system improves quality control, reduces waste, and ensures complete traceability for every finished luxury product leaving the factory. The selected horns move to the cleaning department, where high-pressure water jets remove dirt and loose impurities. They are then washed using specialized cleaning solutions, designed to preserve the horn's natural structure while eliminating contaminants. This careful preparation creates a clean foundation for every manufacturing step that follows. Once cleaned, the horns enter controlled drying chambers where temperature and humidity are carefully regulated. Slow drying helps maintain the horn's natural strength while preventing unwanted stress or distortion. When drying is complete, each horn is examined once again before moving to precision cutting and shaping operations. Inside the cutting workshop, advanced CNC-guided saws and precision equipment trim every horn according to its intended purpose. Some sections will become decorative panels, while others are prepared for luxury accessories and handcrafted design elements. Every cut is planned to maximize material use while preserving the horn's beautiful natural patterns. The shaped pieces are gently heated under carefully controlled conditions, making the natural material more flexible without damaging its structure. Skilled technicians use precision molds and specialized presses to create smooth, uniform shapes. Every movement combines modern engineering with years of traditional craftsmanship and experience. After forming, each piece is gradually cooled to lock in its final shape. Robotic measuring systems scan every surface, checking dimensions with remarkable accuracy. Even the smallest variation is detected, ensuring every component meets strict manufacturing standards before continuing to polishing and surface finishing. The polishing department transforms rough surfaces into glossy, elegant finishes. Multiple polishing wheels and fine abrasive compounds gradually reveal the horn's unique natural color and distinctive patterns. Skilled workers carefully inspect every piece under bright lighting, ensuring each surface reflects exceptional craftsmanship. With polishing complete, the finest horn components move toward final assembly, where they will become luxury decorative pieces and premium accessories admired around the world. Every product reflects the remarkable combination of natural materials, advanced manufacturing technology, and skilled human craftsmanship. The journey continues as these elegant creations approach their final transformation. The next stage focuses on precision finishing. Each polished horn piece is carefully sanded by hand to remove even the smallest imperfections left after machine processing. Experienced craftsmen examine every curve, edge, and surface under bright inspection lights, ensuring the natural beauty of the horn remains visible while achieving a perfectly smooth finish worthy of luxury products. Some horn pieces are shaped into decorative handles, while others become elegant inlays for handbags, furniture, and luxury accessories. Computer-guided engraving machines create intricate patterns, logos, and custom designs without disturbing the horn's natural grain. Every detail is completed with exceptional precision. Finished horn components are matched according to their natural color, texture, and pattern. This careful selection creates balanced, visually appealing products with a consistent appearance. Technicians compare every piece under controlled lighting to ensure harmony before assembly begins. Quality inspectors measure every component using digital calipers, laser scanners, and precision gauges. Thickness, curvature, and surface quality are verified against strict manufacturing standards. Any piece that falls outside the required tolerance is recycled or reprocessed to maintain the factory's commitment to excellence. In the assembly workshop, skilled artisans combine horn components with premium materials such as leather, stainless steel, brass, and hardwood. Every part is carefully aligned before being secured using specialized tools that guarantee durability. While preserving the product's elegant appearance, each completed product undergoes another detailed inspection. Workers check every joint, edge, and polished surface for scratches, marks, or imperfections. Functional parts are tested repeatedly to ensure smooth operation and long-lasting performance before approval for final finishing. Approved products receive a protective finishing treatment that enhances their natural shine while helping resist moisture, dust, and everyday wear. This finishing process highlights the unique marbled patterns within every horn, making each luxury piece one of a kind. Luxury packaging is prepared with the same attention to detail as the products themselves. Soft protective materials, custom presentation boxers, and quality certificates accompany every item. Each package is designed to protect the product during transport, while delivering a premium unboxing experience. The finished products move into the automated warehouse, where digital inventory systems organize thousands of items ready for shipment. Orders from international distributors, luxury boutiques, and specialty retailers are processed quickly, ensuring efficient worldwide delivery. From the remarkable white-gray Brahman bull to the skilled hands of experienced craftsmen and the precision of modern machinery, every stage reflects dedication, innovation, and respect for natural materials. Thank you for joining this journey inside the modern white-gray Brahman bullhorn factory. If you enjoyed this documentary, please like, subscribe, and join us for more fascinating factory tours from around the world. Inside the shipping center, automated conveyors transport finished packages to climate-controlled storage areas. Digital warehouse systems monitor inventory in real time, allowing large orders to be prepared quickly and accurately. Every shipment is verified before leaving the factory for destinations around the world. From the impressive white-gray Brahman bull to the final luxury horn and leather creations, every product tells a story of craftsmanship, innovation, and attention to detail. Thank you for watching this factory documentary. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more fascinating factory tours and manufacturing documentaries from around the world.